Alright, so far so good. Now we saw how to use the Docker Compose, and we show that it still show the output as std output. Show the output on the terminal or on the shell. And you can see that if I type Docker Compose up, and by typing enter, you can see that we can't put any command here. So the whole shell has been reserved for the output for this container or this service. So if I refresh here and I return here, you can see that it will start showing the access logs. And if I want to quit it, I need to put the Ctrl+C, and if I type it again, I will forcefully quit from it. Now actually this is good, I know, but not practical. So I need to provide the -d options. So if it is Docker Compose up, and then I will put the -d option. And the -d, we already saw that actually on other things like the Docker run commands. And this is the -d, the d attached or run as a daemon or in the background. So Docker Compose up, enter. You can see that the starting has been completed and everything is completed. And Docker BS, you can see they are running. The containers are running. And the Docker BS, you can see that the containers are running. And if I head to the browser and refresh, yeah, it is still up and running. Okay, so everything cool for now. Now, how should I stop these containers? Well, actually, yeah, I know I can kill the containers, but this is not practical. Imagine if we have 10 containers, I need to do that manually. So what the heck, man? No, actually, you will put Docker Compose down. So it is Docker Compose up to make the service up, and Docker Compose down to make it down, as simple as that. So if I type Docker BS here, you can see no containers are running. And if I refresh this, yeah, cannot be reached. All right, so far so good. Now actually, if you type Docker Compose --help, you can see that we have actually a lot of commands and a lot of options. As you can see, build, config, image, kill, logs, rm, run, a lot of things actually. Also, the same thing for the options like the -p, the -f file, the -version, -inf, and a lot of things. Okay. Now actually, we will handle another important option for the Docker Compose, and we can see that it is Docker Compose, and I will put the run command. Okay, so this to run command inside a specific service inside the Docker Compose file. So I want, for example, to check the environment variable inside the web service. So it will be like this: Docker Compose run and the name of the service, which is the web. And actually we saw that before I hit the enter. We saw that here, as you can see, the services is web. So I want for the web service, this one, to show the environment variable. So again, Docker-compose run the web service we want, and now I want to put this command, which is the env. So you can see that we have the environment variable. Now remember the Flask app we have, yeah, the Flask run host, yeah, actually it is there, and a lot of environment variables. All right, so far so good. Well, actually there are a lot of use for the Docker Compose, a lot of things, as I will keep updating the course and I will keep adding more content to it. So don't worry at all. All right, thanks for watching.